So sometimes we feel like you might feel like something that you want to do, you don't have access to anymore. You've missed your time. Um, you don't have the opportunity to do what you want. It's too late for you to achieve your goals. And so today we're going to tap that out, release that energy, and begin to embrace the hope and possibility of you being able to fulfill on your heart's desire at any age, at any time. So let's get to tapping. So on a scale from 1 to 10, let's look and see how much you feel like your time to achieve your goal or your dream has passed you by. 10 being there's no way you're going to be able to reach it. 1, you're living your dream life or doing your dream thing, whatever it is. You might be taking a dance class or getting fit or starting your own business. But whatever it is, 1 to 10. And now we'll start tapping. So even though I feel deep fear that it's too late for me, I fully accept myself and my feelings. Okay, second round. Even though I believe it's too late to achieve my goals or my dreams, I choose to love and accept myself. And one last karate chop. Even though I worry that I've missed my chance, I acknowledge this fear and I release it. Okay. Eyebrow. This fear that it's too late. Side of the eye. Feeling like my time has passed. Under the eye. What if I've missed my opportunity? Under the nose. What if I made bad decisions? Chin. This sense of despair about the future. Collarbone. I can't change the past. Under the arm. Wondering if it's really too late for me. Top of the head. This fear is holding me back. Okay, take a deep breath. And then just see if if your number has changed, if it's gone up or gone down. It's all perfect. And then let's start to karate chop again. Even though I feel this fear, I choose to embrace hope and possibility. Even though I worry it's too late, I am open to new beginnings. And one more time, even though I feel stuck, I now believe that it's never too late for me. Okay, eyebrow. I choose to embrace hope and possibility. Side of the eye. It's not too late for me. Under the eye. I can create new opportunities. Under the nose. I'm opening myself to fresh starts. Chin. I believe in my ability to move forward. Collarbone. I'm allowed to change my path at any time. Under the arm, I release the fear of timing. Top of the head, it's never too late for my dreams or to pursue what I want. Eyebrow, I'm opening myself up to new opportunities and ideas. Side of the eye, I can create my own path. Under the eye, it's not too late to start fresh. Under the nose, I embrace my journey no matter the time. Chin, I'm releasing this fear about timing. Collarbone, I choose to believe in my potential. Under the arm, I'm exactly where I need to be right now, and I'm moving forward. Top of the head, it's never too late for my dreams. Okay, take a deep breath in. And now see where you are on in your body on a scale from 1 to 10, if that number has changed. And if you still am feeling a little doubtful about pursuing your dreams because of some decisions you've made or where you are in life or how old you are, think again and tap again. And maybe write a list of what you want to accomplish and just start looking, start exploring. Until next time, I'll see you later. Have a great day.